Good morning, fifth grade. Welcome to our online lesson from Miss G's fifth grade classroom. Today, we are going to be talking about synonyms and antonyms. This past week, we've been talking about ways to make our writing better. So far, we learned about our use of verbs, adjectives, and nouns. We now know how to structure our paragraphs and sentences as well. Now, we are going to focus on our language. First, we are going to start with synonyms. Well, what is a synonym? A synonym is a word or phrase that has the same meaning as another word or phrase. Let's imagine a bowl of soup that you're going to be having for dinner. It was just made and you can't quite eat it yet. Can anyone think of why we might not be able to eat it right away? That's right, it would be too hot. Can anyone think of some synonyms that we can use for the word hot? Pause this video while you think of a couple. Here are some that I came up with. Do any of them match your ideas? Great! Now let's do some more practice. For these next activities, you will need a pencil and a piece of paper or some place to practice writing. Pause this video while you go get your materials. Perfect! First, write the word big on your paper. We are going to think of some synonyms or words that mean the same thing. Of big. The first word that comes to my head is large. You can follow along with me and write large and other words on your paper as well. Let's think of some other words. Huge means the same thing as big, too. Giant could mean big, and so can immense, which just means really, really big. Write these words down. All of these words mean the same thing as big, so these words are all synonyms. Now let's try a sentence. This girl right here looks so happy. We could write the sentence, the girl said she was happy. This sentence is strong, but some words could be stronger. Let's take the word said. Write the word said on your paper. What are some synonyms for the word said? Pause this video and try writing a couple. I came up with the words explained, stated, and announced. All of these words mean said, but are stronger and more at a fifth grade level. Let's take the word happy. Write this word on your paper. Happy is strong, but what are some stronger words? Pause this video and write down a few synonyms of the word happy. I came up with cheerful, merry, and overjoyed. Now let's write a new sentence replacing said and happy with synonyms that are stronger. For example, some that we wrote. Pause this video while you write your sentence. I wrote, the girl announced that she was overjoyed. Synonyms can make our writing better, and we should use them whenever we can. Now let's move on to antonyms. An antonym is a word or phrase that has the opposite meaning as another word or phrase. Let's go back to our fresh bowl of hot soup. This soup is boiling. We thought of a lot of synonyms for the word hot. Now let's think of some antonyms. Pause this video while you think of a couple. I came up with cold, frozen, freezing, cool, chilly, and frigid, which means really, really cold. Do any of my words match yours? Good job. All of these words mean the opposite of hot, making them antonyms. Let's think back to our synonym chart. We found 4 synonyms for the word big. Can anyone think of some antonyms for the word big? One antonym for the word big is small. Write this word down as an antonym on your paper. Another word I thought of is little. Write this word down too. Both small and little are antonyms of big because they are the opposite. Let's practice with antonyms once more. Here we have a chart with 4 different words. 2 of them are antonyms or opposites of each other. Can anyone see which 2 words are opposites? That's right. Hungry and full are antonyms. Let's try with another set of words. 2 words are antonyms here. Which ones are they? Great! Happy and upset are antonyms because they are opposites. Here's another row of words. 2 words are opposites again. Does anyone know which words are antonyms? Good job! Old and new are antonyms. Let's try one more. Which 2 words are antonyms? Yes, tall and short are antonyms or opposites. Great job. Now let's practice with both synonyms and antonyms. Flip to a new sheet of paper and write down all of these words, making sure to keep them in 2 separate columns that are far apart. Pause this video while you write them down. Great! Now match a word on the left column with the synonym on the right-hand column by drawing a line from one word to the matching word. Do this for all of the words. Pause this video while you do this activity. Let's review our answers. Try and attempt are synonyms because they mean the same thing. Difficult and hard are also synonyms. Neat and tidy, start and begin, and middle and center are all synonyms. Did you get them all right? Nice job. Let's try with antonyms. Write down these words on the right and the left-hand column, making sure to keep them separate again. Pause this video until you are done. Great job. Now match the word on the left-hand column with the antonym on the right by drawing a line from each word to the match. Pause this video while you do this. Great. Let's check our answers. Dirty and clean are opposites, so they are antonyms. So are happy and sad, ancient and modern, energetic and lazy, and shy and outgoing. Did you get all of them right? Great job. All of these words are antonyms of each other. Let's review what we just learned. A synonym is a word or phrase that has the same meaning as another word or phrase, like happy and energetic, or sad and upset. A synonym, an antonym, is a word or phrase that has the opposite meaning as another word or phrase, like happy and upset or hot and cold. Great job! We have successfully learned what synonyms and antonyms are and how they can better our writing. That's the end of today's lesson. Remember to take the Google form after watching this video. See you next time.